everyone, here is CN Type Light Beauty Company, and today I will introduce the latest Thulium Laser 1927 machine. This machine is focusing on scar removal, vaginal tightening, scar removal, stretch mark removal, and so on. And now I will operate this machine. You can check it. And when you receive the machine, you can check the back. When you receive the machine should be like this. So you need to up and then open. Okay, you can check this is the interface operating interface. This is a shape, different shape, square, circle, and triangle. Also, you can drawing by yourself. Okay, see, difference. Also, you can check this one. This is puzzle from 0.1 to 30, to 30 max. And this one is distance from 0.1 to 2 millimeter. And this is the power from 1 to 20. When you do the treatment, you can set up the power max 20. And also you can check here. Distance you can set up from 0.5 to it's okay. This puzzle, you can check here. If you set up the energy lower 100, the pain is less. Also you can check. If you want the lower energy, you can reduce the puzzle. It is less. But if you want to do the machine with the good effects, you can set up from because this machine is mainly for facial, so you can set up the energy from 20 and 100. But if your face with much scar, and you need to set up the higher, so you need to put the cream. Okay, you can check here. Usually we do the facial treatment. You can set up this one. This is puzzle. If this one, it is faster. So we recommend puzzle. This one. And check this. This is the memory. You can see from patient data. Okay, and this is different. This is order and disorder. Also check here, you can reduce and see. Okay, and I will test the machine for you. You can check it. This is the facial treatment interface. Okay, and this machine has another function for vaginal tightening. You can put here. Also you can check. Here now it is 100, but this machine, the max is 600. See, if you set up the max power, max puzzle, here is max energy. But usually we do the treatment for facial. The good parameter is good energy is less 100. From this one. Okay. We check another one. This is for vaginal tightening. From 1 to 10. And this is puzzle. Also same with the facial treatment from 0.1 to 30. And also you can set up this one, high power, lower pulse. Yeah, and then it will reduce the pain and get good results. Also here you can set up large and reduce. Yeah, this is the button setup. Okay, also this is the saves parameter. Yeah, everything okay. You can put here start. Yeah, you can check. This is the foot handle. Yeah, for this machine, when you do the treatment, you can put the button in the handle, or you can put the foot handle. One is okay. This is the treatment handle. Yeah, this is the handle teeth. Yeah, I will show you another teeth. Yeah, see? This is the vaginal whitening. Yeah, teeth handle. Yeah, and this one for facial. Okay, yeah, and this one is also for facial. It likes roller, yeah, likes roller, different. So when you do the treatment, you can choose the handle tips according to your custom situation. Also, when you buy this machine, we will give you the glasses. Yeah, see, the leather glasses for doctor. And this Google for patients. Yeah, the safety is more important for us. Okay. Yeah. After doing the treatment, yeah, you can return and then close. But when you do the treatment, maybe you meet some emergency. So you can put here, yeah, the red button, and then machine stop work. But you need to pin like this, and then machine open. Okay, yeah, and this is the machine introduction and operation. So if you have any other question, yeah, you can contact us. You have any, also we will send the clinic report. Yeah, when you do the treatment, you can check as the resurfacing, okay? Yeah, and this machine don't need to enter the water, so it is air cooling. Yeah, you can also hear the sound, okay? Yeah, when after do the treatment, close the machine. And also I will show you some testing video and the training and treatment video, okay? Yeah, you check it. You have any other question, you can contact Pai for Beauty, okay? Bye.
可以忍受吗？可以忍受哈。